And then guys, I'm watching. So, please, this is my idol.
Coming. You like subscribe before the chocolate dinners. I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. I told you I changed, even when I knew I comment what Fry Guy should do next.
Wait. Guys, wait. Shout out of by this idol. By later.
The Ireland flag then coming back later.
And my idol in YouTube is Phil Andre. And I want to see it. This is my idol, Phil Andre. And then Cheska YT. Cheska YouTube or YT. And I want to shout out Von Ordona. I want to shout out Von Ordona. I want to see it. I wish of my birthday is I want to see it. Please don't bash me because this is my idol. Please.
Kasi sabi ko, sabihin mo wala sa mama. Nandiyan nakaupo eh.
Please guys.
Paano niya ako nakita?
Please guys, don't bash.
Nakita niya ako?
Please. If your idol YouTuber is Phil Andre, you love it. Shout out of Von Ordona and
Box pa ng mga cellphone ni mama yan eh.
Kaya mo na mamaya.
and shout out Phil Andre. I want to see it. Please. This is my wish. I want to see it. I want to see. Okay. This is here. Please subscribe this.
Nagkamatay daw.
I subscribe it now. Oh, guys, this is hair vlog. Please, Von Ordona.